Hey guys, Scott here, and today I want to talk welding carts. If you're unsure which one will fit your needs, stay tuned as there are 3 sizes and style options that Eastwood offers. First up, we have our Eastwood MIG welding cart for smaller MIG, TIG, or plasma cutters. A 17 3/4 by 11-inch top allows you to store a MIG 135 or 175, while the bottom shelf will fit a VersaCut 20 plasma cutter and still have a middle shelf for consumables, gloves, or tools, such as MIG pliers, which you want to keep nearby. Don't let the size fool you of this cart though, because it'll hold up to 300 pounds of welding equipment. Need a little more room or weight capacity? Check out the Eastwood MIG, TIG, and plasma welding cart. Larger shelves allow for bigger units and a loaded weight up to 350 pounds. Most welders will fit on the top shelf, which measures in at 20 by 11 3/4 inches, while the bottom shelf still holds any plasma cutter we sell. The middle shelf still has enough room for any consumables, along with a TIG foot pedal to keep it safe and tucked away when not in use. The gas bottle mount incorporates TIG rod holder slots for up to 6 different tubes of filler. If the biggest and best is what you're looking for, then our professional welding cart is exactly what you need. Oversized shelves hold any welder we sell, and a tubular design holds up to 400 pounds of welders and 2 large gas bottles. Having 2 bottles allows for switching between MIG and TIG without constantly lifting bottles. Store a MIG welder on the huge 21 by 13-inch top and a TIG welder or plasma cutter on the bottom. Side mount shelves and TIG rod holders keep all necessities within reach at all times. Both smaller carts have 2 hooks, perfect for wrapping up your cords, while the professional welding cart has 3, perfect for wrapping up cords for 2 full-size machines. Anyone who needs a portable welder setup should have a welding cart for safety, as they secure the welding bottle to the cart and make life much easier, as tools and consumables can be kept close. For full specifications on any of these carts, including shelf dimensions, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.